Hello, my name is Nate, and this is a Young Man's Workshop. Today I'd like to tell you a story about my niece and her involvement with woodworking. My family loves to watch video woodworkers. In fact, we went to a conference in Kansas City, Missouri called Woodworking in America. Now, one of the evenings of that conference, Steve Ramsey hosted a charity event for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. At this event, many video woodworkers donated their tools and wares for the raffle that took place to raise money. You can find out more information about Steve Ramsey and the charity event and his involvement with the Make-A-Wish Foundation at www.makerscare.org. Now, my niece and my family love to watch these video woodworkers. During these videos, my niece has often gathered up what she calls as her tools, but in reality are the scraps from my projects. Some of them are just cut-offs, old pieces, wedges, pieces of cardboard from the boxes of tools I've opened. Some of them are not even woodworking, pieces of PVC I've cut off for projects. Now, every time we start these video woodworking shows, she grabs her bucket and she goes, "My tools, my tools." Now, it just so happened that at this charity event and the raffle, I won a kid's toolbox made by Rockin' H Woodshop. Now, if you'd like to see how Rockin' H Woodshop made this, you can see that video here. Now, he was nice enough at the event to sign this box. This next video clip will be my niece's excited reaction to getting her new toolbox. Thank you. Mackenzie, I got you a present.
Present?
Yeah. Tools.
No, open.
It's just stuck. Here, try it now.
No, open.
What's that?
Plus.
What's that?
Plus.
Tools.
This.
It's a saw.
Nothing.
Mackenzie, which one's the hammer?
This.
Look, that's a screwdriver. Which one's the hammer?
This hammer.
Look, that's a square.
Yeah.
Do you know which one the hammer is?
Oh, I found it.
That's the hammer.
That's a hammer.
Yeah, I know, it's a hammer. Are tools fun?